Harry. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Sunday, March. I don't know the exact date. Let me see. Yes, today is March 12th. It's a Sunday, and today is a day that we're going on like a little beach trip. Excited! Please don't mind my two different patterns thingy. This is my sleepwear, okay? I got up like a couple of hours ago and started editing the video that I did for Friday, which is supposed to go up today. So it is currently being uploaded, but I don't like to come off YouTube whenever a video is being uploaded because it takes forever. Currently it's like at 80%, so I just want to like come on here, say hi to you guys, and probably go back on YouTube so that the video can like upload. I need to create a thumbnail as well for that video. The description for right now, I'm not gonna put it in right now, probably later if I remember. There's not much to be described anyways. I mean, it's a vlog. I don't have no links or anything to put in the vlog. So for right now, check the time. The time is 8:56 and we need to get out of here by 9:30 or the latest 10 o'clock. And I have stuff to do. I have clothes to fold and basically I have to get ready, and I take forever to get ready because I'm always rushing. Don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah. So I'm just gonna focus on the main thing, like just spread the bed, put clothes together. I'm gonna show you guys all of that still, so I'm just gonna take you guys along with, but I am praying that this video uploads before I leave so that, you know, I can just press one button and make it public for today. So by the latest this evening, on Sunday today, you guys will be getting that previous video, so you can pause this right now and just go and check that out and come right back. Okay. All right, so talk to you guys. Okay, so the video is uploaded, but it's not public yet. Okay, I went and got me some tea. It's hot, and Orion gave me half of his wrap, his chicken wrap. I didn't make it. It's okay. I don't know if he made it or what, but it tastes good. 9:30 and a virus. This cup is huge. Love it for tea, but it's heavy. What? It's heavy. Oh, this is a 2-hand man. Okay, so I'm thinking to carry this bag. You go square. Let me can super glue this. I'm gonna try super glue. Oh yeah, and I took off. Can you guys see me? My head is like cut off. I'm not talking. No, man, that's no. Anyways, all right. So I took off the press-ons this morning because I want to put on some other ones today. Let me get them. Don't want to forget. I have my little press-on stash here. No, we didn't read much. Yes. Alright, so this one I bought in the Chinese store, but the plan is for me to like do them on and cut them down short because I can't bother with no long nails today. I can't deal with the bend back and, you know, as I need to. And I want to move fast, so I'm gonna put on these. How much color is this? Oh, this has, it said 24/20 nails. Okay. So a good amount of nails are in here, so I must find my size. Yeah, so the ones I had on previously though, I made those myself. Oh, it come with glue too. This is a glue and quick, it's 100. So this is what I'm gonna put on real quick. Probably gonna put it on in the car as usual because I always at rush. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna try to fix this bag. Like right here. So right here is torn off. I brought it to a guy to fix it. My mom brought it to a guy to fix it. and the guy pays up my bag and don't fix it properly. So now I'm gonna use the super glue slash nail glue to glue this up on this top, man. Jesus. Please put more on it. No, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna try glue rubber gear. This just feel ghetto. It's feel real ghetto right now, but you know we have to improvise until. Because I really want to try and carry this bag today instead of carrying like a knapsack. My finger not touch by this one because a problem. Alright, push it. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna push it in. Use that tweezer. Jesus. Alright, let me see. I think we should open this up. You know, we tell the vagina on it, sir. Alright, let me put it. Alright, look like it's working. It's working! Oh! Hee 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 hee! Hee hee! Look like this myself, man. Give me money. Like, you don't want me to do it so like you catch me and do something. You just, I want me to do it strong. And that frightened me. I glue up my bag already. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Ow! It's my finger. Oh yeah, I don't know, babe. Oh. No way. Yeah, I fix my bed. Ooh, me always a rush.
No rush.
I want to fresh go wala. I wanna be from morning no go wala. Fresh. I think if I put like my stuff in another one here now. I think everything on another one here now. I'm gonna make it work. Right. I'm gonna make that dry a little bit. I'm gonna put out them clothes here. Right here, so. No, you're putting yours in your bag. Orin is over there doing some work. I'm gonna pack this clothes out. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay, so I'm done pulling up the clothes them on. Yada yada yada. This lift right up. Whenever I take a bath, I just always wash this area. Like at night time. You know, so I'm not having too much pressure like on my edges right here. So I forgot to lay down that. So I'm gonna have to lay that down. On top of my Bible, hope y'all don't fall off. Yeah. So I'm packing for the beach. Taking garbage bags. Put wet clothes in on garbage. Yeah. Body wash. Lotion. What? They said put wet clothes in and garbage. I took back my show. Deodorant. So yeah, lotion, deodorant. Body wash. Oh, rag. I need. Oh, rag in that bathroom. Rag. I got a shower cap on. I'm gonna wash off. Shape on the black. Bath suit and something. Everything when I'm on bank can be. Well, except the towel. Alright, that's Orange's job. And put your earbuds over this, you see? Alright, so now for you, I'm gonna shower. So I am ready for the beach. I'm wearing a cute little dress and whatever. Picking up Orion's friend, so we can go on the road. So that's a little update. Yeah.
Yo, hook up yourself.
Where is the hook? Which is it? Oh, like this is.
That's alright.
Oh my gosh.
Sick day, so we still
I'm
can.
not gonna help baby daddy.
Nope.
Because it has a sick day.
Hi, Colleen. You won't help? Almost only for something I'm forgetting. Oh gosh, man. Camera. Like somebody just jump off.
Yeah, I was jump off for Sunday time.
Really? Sleeping in the car.
Yeah. I told him I come over. I'm coming off the toe. Watch out, watch out.
Why is this man drive up?
Miss why Rich then Richie crash, you know?
You see why film car see like that?
No, Miss why Richie crash.
What you crash?
Yeah, right there, run about the same crash.
They drive crazy, man.
Oh, a bird weekend.
It's big. Why is big weekend? Come on, vehicle over there, so.
Yeah. Really, man, this king, ding dong, valiant.
Everybody over there, man.
Hey, Colin.
So Colin asleep. We reach. This is my meal. I'm gonna eat before I go into the beach. Just 2 peas and white rice.
You don't get beer? No.
One time I was a bit tipsy. And I by accident. What? I by accident just a bit tipsy. I never know say me have that kind of friend. We made it on the beach.
Oh, Jesus.
We're not going to we need to go swim before we reach. So if you stick here there, I'm not going to water you.
Water won't go there now. So you know it one.
Of course, Mr. Ki come
One
beach
little
and
belly.
change.
Where the bus out?
Hostile. What he just bulge out?
violent long time.
So can you not swim too? What did you baby now? What did you baby?
We never come to swim, no. Cheers, sure, do sit down on it.
Let me catch this spot here, right?
Wait there.
Stop your foot in your foot. What am I doing? The black yolks. Right through.
How are you, Nick?
The video. Eh? Female? Female. I'm supposed to put them out to some. This is not cute. Beach life. What a new type of polish? A polish ever for me, Dave. Called sand polish. Check one bit too perfect. We're going on a ride. First time I come beach and actually I'm going to do something fun. Because if I'm going
Boat ride, mineral. Kids free, boat ride, kids free.
I'm excited.
Boat ride.
This I have to just walk right here, so. What don't you say, empty man? Make us so calm, brother. The water ain't clean. That's how we find right it.
Sign your name and signature. And give him a pen.
My full name are just.
You ladies ever done this before?
Never in my lifetime.
Sign your right name. What speed you want? Fast or slow?
Very, very slow. Grandma speed.
Just bear in mind, if you go
Signature?
slow, you don't
A signature, your body? The sign over my life.
You know what I'm say you're responsible for your own life. That's what it says. That's what it says. I read it.
I buy the life jacket.
You pay me.
Oh no, alright.
So after they fix it, we're not gonna get inside.
On the chair thingy?
The life jacket then do.
Alright, thank you. Why? Lady, and your bad influence.
How am I bad in here?
Come back on the bunny. Come back on the bunny.
Yeah, you want to test the theory?
What's the theory?
Go float.
Oh.
Turn around. Alright, so you're going to pull the jacket in, come on, let's have a touch on it.
Hi guys.
Pull that side of it.
Wait, is it? Oh.
Yeah, that's it. You can make a video for you, right?
Yeah.
He's taking the phone.
Keep it balanced. Close to each other. Yeah. You ready for this?
Was fun. That was fun. Oh, this come off. Jesus.
Yes, I bring him up.
Don't bring the door. Man say no wait, no fun. Yo, I'll go back on boat next time. Alright, thank y'all. I feel like this a lift up. This a lift up.
Kind of.
I forgot to put that on my headband. Oh God. No, sir. My face a burn me. That be nice.
Some father, right?
Come at me and swallow water for it. There's a beehive! Beehive! We can't see! Oh gosh. We say one eyelash still from the eye. We say one eyelash just a hang on it over like no while There's a fly. One eyelash just a fly up, you know, man. I don't think this August does it. Don't say.
That blue back. You went to see fly out like that.
I can't manage it. Alright, so we're out of the beach right now. Back in the parking lot. Just standing on my tripod. The shorts. Hey, Davey.
Microwave. Go back, go eat it.
May I come?
People them dash it away.
Why didn't you throw away your wings? They're rude. You go buy KFC too? So you're going over there or? Oh. Yeah, come, Davey. I'll be standing on my tripod. Nadian. $900? That's what, 3 piece or what? How much piece of ring at least you get?
5.
5 piece.
I was telling you if you buy KFC.
Sir, you're buying KFC? They're going over KFC. They might go Island Village and sure they might go KFC, so you can give them your order if you want. Or you can walk with them if you want. That one here. Go buy ice, not Island Grill. The place that sell ice cream.
Me I go see where anybody I go.
Eh? You say me go to ice cream place.
Mommy, I got ice
Send
cream.
me here. You ain't nothing better. See if we can put them something in here so. I need what minute drink now after grandma. It's so spicy. Still here hours after in the parking lot because I want to get KFC. This is so spicy. Why is this so spicy? We stopped at Island Village. Sorry for the poor lighting, guys. I'm at Island Village right now. I'm in a car babysitting. Marina's going to get me some ice cream. I got my ice cream. What's this strawberry at? I don't know. Oh, that one here.
Third cheesecake. I like it well.
And this is strawberry. Tastes nice. You actually look like a real cheesecake. Can I have a bro?
But I say, if you let me, I'll choose this.
So I made it home. I'm so tired. I don't even know what time is it. What time is it? Where's my phone? Where's my other phone? I have to do it. Oh, it's 8:40. Timing not bad. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this video out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Vloggy vlog. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Where is it? Peace.